Kia and Hyundai drivers warned to park their cars outside.
Hundreds of thousands of cars being recalled following reports they're bursting into flames.
Due to the risk of engine fires, and it is really serious.
Hyundai and Kia announced that 3.3 million vehicles need to park outdoors because of possible fires. This alarming revelation has sent shockwaves through the automotive industry, raising concerns about the safety and well-being of countless car owners. Hyundai and Kia, two automotive titans celebrated for their enduring legacy of excellence, are currently grappling with unexpected challenges that have left enthusiasts and industry insiders puzzled. Unquestionably, Hyundai and Kia are two of the most well-known automakers in the business, with an incredible selection of vehicles coming off their assembly lines every year. In the game for decades, everyone has heard of these companies. With their standing and expertise, one would naturally think that these businesses would continue to represent the peak of automotive quality. But it seems that both Hyundai and Kia have recently faced difficulties that are preventing them from living up to the high standards they have set for themselves. What happens, you may ask? Well, we'll tell you. Join us as we take a look and discover this Hyundai and Kia drama. What exactly is it about? What happened and how does it affect the company? And most importantly, the customers. Hyundai and Kia, two of the largest automakers in Korea, have started a huge recall of almost 3.3 million used cars. The cause? A potentially dangerous problem with the anti-lock braking system that, shockingly, might start fires whether the car is stopped or moving. The safety of these well-known vehicle companies, recognized for their extensive lineup of models that have adorned the roads throughout the years, is seriously questioned by this finding. A variety of sedans, including the Accent, Azera, Elantra, Genesis Coupe, Sonata, and Tucson SUV are among the Hyundai vehicles that are being recalled. The Optima and Soul cars from Kia, as well as the Sportage SUV, are included in the recall. Notably, these safety issues pertain to automobiles made between 2010 and 2019, which covers over a decade's worth of models that are often seen on our roads. The anti-lock braking system, a crucial part of a car's safety equipment, is where the problem really resides. According to federal safety regulators, there is a chance that this system might leak brake fluid, which could result in a dangerous electrical short circuit and an increased risk of engine compartment fires. The degeneration of an O-ring inside the anti-lock brake motor shaft is the mechanical cause of this issue. Due to the intrusion of moisture, dirt, and dissolved metals in the braking fluid, this important component may eventually lose its sealing power, leading to severe leaks. Owners of vehicles must take prompt action due to the seriousness of the issue. Authorities advise that until the required repairs can be made, the concerned automobile models should be parked outdoors and kept far from any buildings. This important piece of guidance was released by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration to safeguard the security of drivers and bystanders. Concerning 21 fires in the impacted vehicles have been recorded by Hyundai as reported events in the U.S. 22 more thermal incidents, which include situations involving smoke, burning, and melting of different vehicle parts, have also occurred. On the other hand, Kia has documented 10 car fires and related melting occurrences. Authorized dealers will replace the anti-lock brake fuse as a risk reduction measure and to address the problem at no cost to the owners. Kia has stated its desire to start this procedure, and letters of notification will be sent to owners of impacted vehicles starting on November 14th. The procedure is set to start on November 21st for Hyundai. It is crucial to remember that Hyundai has stated that car owners don't need to worry about safety right away if they continue to drive their vehicles. There have been no collisions or injuries allegedly caused by the problem thus far. Hyundai owners are advised to bring their car to a nearby dealership, where the braking system's module fuse will be changed. In the meanwhile, Kia is actively developing a fix for the issue in its vehicles. For the safety and peace of mind of vehicle owners as well as the general public, this recall serves as a clear reminder that even industry heavyweights like Hyundai and Kia are not immune to serious safety problems. The executive director of the nonprofit Center for Auto Safety, Michael Brooks, has expressed his disapproval of how Hyundai and Kia have handled the recall. Brooks, a supporter of consumer rights and auto safety, has legitimate concerns about how the manufacturers are handling the braking system issue in their cars. Brooks has brought up an important question: why have the manufacturers chosen to address address the symptoms rather than the cause of the issue by simply switching out one fuse for another. He is essentially wondering if it is wise to treat a symptom without also fixing the fundamental design issue. The durability of an O-ring, a crucial component that is prone to deterioration over time owing to the infiltration of moisture, dirt, and dissolved metals in the braking fluid, underlies the integrity of the anti-lock brake system and is responsible for serious leaks. The validity of Brooks's argument highlights the necessity for a more thorough and long-lasting solution to guarantee the public's and vehicle passengers' safety. He also supports more prompt and proactive engagement with owners of impacted vehicles. He specifically proposes that interim letters be sent to owners right once to inform them of the seriousness of the issue. These letters might be a vital preventative step, warning owners not to leave their cars parked in garages or other small enclosed areas where the possibility of a fire caused by brake fluid leakage could have disastrous effects. In essence, Michael Brooks' worries highlight the complex relationship between corporate choices, governmental monitoring, and the critical significance of preserving the rights and safety of car owners. His questions highlight the need for a more proactive and thorough strategy to address the brake system issue, with a keen focus on the underlying design issue, while also emphasizing the urgency of prompt and open communications with owners to avoid potential hazards. Which vehicles were recalled, though? A number of these vehicles have been subject to recent recalls due to safety concerns. Among Hyundai's offerings are the 2012 to 2015 Accent, 2012 to 2015 Azera, and the 2011 to 2015 Elantra, among others, which have been involved in safety recalls. Additionally, Kia presents models like the 2014 to 2016 Cadenza, 2011 to 2013 Forte Coupe, and more, which have also been subject to recent safety recalls. This extensive list highlights the variety of automobiles that might be at danger from brake fluid leaks and the ensuing fire dangers. The wide range of Kia models highlights how important it is to solve the braking system problem as soon as possible to protect the safety of vehicle owners and the general public. This anti-lock brake recall follows another recall started by these automakers just 1 month ago, which complicates matters further. A prior recall involving 92,000 cars was carried out due to issues with oil pump electrical controllers. Certain 2023 and 2024 Hyundai's Palisades, 2023 Tucson, Sonata, Elantra, and Kona models, as well as Kia's 2023 Soul, Sportage, and some 2023 and 2024 Celto models, have all been recalled due to the electronic controller's potential to overheat and start fires. These subsequent recalls highlight how crucially important it is to practice attentive quality control and maintenance, providing the highest level of safety for both drivers and passengers. In an unexpected and unsettling turn of events, Kia was thrust into the public eye early this year as well, as a result of an increase in thefts connected to an odd TikTok challenge. This viral fad pushed people to try hot wiring Kia cars without authorization using just a screwdriver and a USB cord. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration noted that this challenge had alarmingly high fatality rates, with at least 14 documented collisions and 8 fatalities. Nearly 9 million vehicles, including Kia Souls and Fortes, as well as Hyundai Elantras and Sonatas, have been affected by this alarming series of occurrences. Attorneys general in no fewer than 17 states have requested that the federal government order a comprehensive recall of the impacted Kia and Hyundai automobiles due to the alarming rise in vehicle thefts and the accidents that have resulted from them. The goal was to provide a more thorough response to the escalating safety concerns. Nevertheless, the manufacturers, instead of a recall, used a different strategy, and they decided to provide free software upgrades intended to deter would-be criminals. It's important to note that this difficult scenario has important legal repercussions as well. Hyundai and Kia opted to pay a substantial sum of $200 million to resolve a class action lawsuit earlier this year. This agreement was struck with owners whose cars had been stolen as a result of the broad wave of auto thefts. And that was the entire Hyundai and Kia drama. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.